Hello guys, to combine multiple checks in one if statement, we use the keywords and or. So on line 3, we check if a is greater than 10 and if a is smaller than 100. If that's true, we print a is between 10 and 100. So for example, if we would make 91 here and run this, you see a is between 10 and 100 because 91 is smaller than 100 but greater than 10. If we would enter 9, however, the statement would be false because 9 is not greater than 10. However, it's smaller than 100, but it's the AND keyword, so both of these statements have to be true. As you see, when we execute this, you see a is 9. It jumps straight to the else statement. If we enter 101, however, you see it is greater than 100, so it skips this code block here and jumps to the next else if. And here it looks if a is equals 101 or if a is equals 1001. So the first check is true and the code is being run because it's or. If there would be an AND, this code block would never be executed because a variable cannot be 101 and 1001 at the same time. So to demonstrate, see a is either 101 or 1001. You can combine unlimited amounts of such chainings. For example, we can add another check here and change the value of the variable. And you see it executes this code again because this here is true. Of course, you could also add an AND statement. So for example, AND a is greater than 10,000, for example. And this would still be executed. If you make 1002, however, it's false because a is 10,001. So that's it with the chained conditions. However, the video is not finished yet because you can also check booleans variable with an easy way. As you see in the background, I changed the code a bit. I simplified the if statement a lot and now the variable is a boolean and stores the value true. And here we check if a. Well, if a what? Well, if a is true, because as you remember from the video yesterday, this condition in the middle has to be always true in order to execute the code block underneath. So a is true, as you see here. That means this code is executed. So if we run this, you see a is true. So that's a neat little way to check for Boolean variables if they are true or false. If your desire is to execute this if the variable is false, then you can just add a not in front of the condition and it will flip the value of the condition basically. So true is false and false is true. And now if you would run this, you see if on line 3 is not true, the code in the else is executed because a is true and not true. So we could change the value for the last time and run and you see a is false. The condition is correct again. So yeah, that's it with the if statements for Python. I hope it was halfway understandable in those two short videos. If so, please remember to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Tomorrow I will tell you something about while loops, so make sure to subscribe for this video. And with that words, I wish you a very great day.